content wo bamuzira abantu bakuzira babosses be ku mirimu ne bakuzira buli gotwa ya production yagamba twale eri kadolimu byakwesoma bwesomi tata wange simanyi biki nabera kazini brother wa sister wa mkwano gwa kojja wange titwagala.
Okay, my son Kasuku, yesterday my sons in the industry, my DJs and what were calling me, hey mzee Kazoora ngojeke o trendinga goli. I'm like, what's going on? Kasuku bakoze kola ivuni vumane. Man, I don't think people understood me. Obandete blackboard and then I write mpandike then munchenge. I said I am happy that the gossip content producers, because your gossip, have received the money. I am so happy. They didn't get me 200 billion. And my video was specific to Natasha. And I said, okay, fantastic. You've given them. A small mistake can turn into a legacy for Natasha. I spoke for people that do real content. Let them also have some funding. If you've given the gossip guys, it's okay. We are happy. No one is saying they shouldn't. Have even 200 billion. I'm okay. Have it. But the real content people should also have. Should even the person with the video, that a better video of your talk with Jaja with drones and what, cows and what, it was done by Lukman. Not any of your roofraffs. You understand? That was where I was going. Now, they tell me, Ntanda mbu yamvu mi. Hati mweni we ntanda maranga we. I met you 2 years ago in a gym. You had abused Navio. Okachwa Navio usha. Okajuma Navio. And in the gym, I told you, Ntanda, you can't do that. You see, you abuse people because nebatia abamude ujumundo mchobusha. I think you enough you. You're not even fit to be his shoe cleaner. You Ntanda. Okanjuma bwasha kibu wanjuma wanchobusha. Ogarechere wanjuma Ntanda. Nyotinde navyo ndo mujuru kwa manjeri. Inja kufutere bukonde maranga we. Mwene bokusha turanywire mate wino rinko umwire wayo kwashako. Ntanda, you have no favor and anointing in this industry, in the industry that JK have put a storm to. Where you're fit to work in rufra na no mochare. Mwene we kantanda no buntanda bwa wino njuma to yiwiki yikasirwa maranga we. Nja kufutere konde kandi batinga kutera face nja kufutere konde byenda numanyiro tiwe mazuri. Iwe tende navyo numujuma abantu because they fear baba hana sente mureka bagambaho atari nyewe. Iwe